Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Decoded. My name is Sanjay. Today I am working as Technical Architect SD4 at Adobe, and here I present day 7th of July Leetcode problem. The question that we have in today is interleaving strings. It is based on the concept of dynamic programming, and it appears to me as if Leetcode has provided this month as a DP month. And it's a great opportunity to revise all the important questions of dynamic programming. How to do that? Here is a Coding Decoded DP SD preparation sheet for you. All the questions that are marked with double asterisk signs are must do before an interview. So if you have an important interview lined up that you are aiming to crack, then this sheet can act as a great source of revision. So here you will find all the problems listed in increasing order of difficulty, easy, medium and hard. And I'm pretty sure once you will go through this sheet, then you will feel 70 to 80% confident that you will be able to nail each and every question of DP. Now comes an important aspect that I taught yesterday, which is reducing space complexity for all the DP problems from order of n to order of 1. Yes, you heard it right, from order of n, linear space complexity to constant time. And here I have explained the trick. So what you need to do, you need to go through this video, understand the trick, and then you can apply the same trick over to all these questions that involves 1D dynamic programming concept. Now let's get back to the problem of interleaving strings. Here is the video, guys. We have already solved it in the month of June 2021. The subscribers of Coding Decoded feel that it's an easy level question because they have already solved it last year. And for all those who are new, this video is for you. The like says it all, it's 44. The comment says it all. I'm pretty sure once you will go through this video, you'll have a great time watching it up, and I have clearly explained the algorithm in it. So over to you guys. The hard work is all yours. I can only be the catalyst, and I wish you all the very best in this journey. With this, let's wrap up today's session. I'm attaching all the links in the description below, so do check them out. Thank you.